Hi, welcome to Jebro's favorite film. Today we show you how to add text into your Premiere. So after updated Adobe Premiere 2018, many change, and you don't know how to add text in Premiere. So today we show you. First step, you have to go to File and go to New. Go to Legacy Title and name your text name. Example. Click OK. And now box have many options. You can custom and you can choose for your text. Click on Type tool and type your text. Example. This is an example. And you can choose many fonts. And here you can change your size. You can go to center alignment. And here you can add audio title. Many options you can choose by yourself in title box. And you can choose the title style. Example. Many different style. Or you can go to custom transform or robotics. You can custom opacity, and you can pick a color for your text. Example. Okay, and you can align to the center. You can choose the selection tool and drop your text to anywhere in the video you want to. Okay, and close. And you have to drop your text layer into your timeline. Okay, and now you got your text into your video. And if you want to custom position or scale, you can go to the effect control. You can custom the position, scale, rotation, anti-blur, opacity. And you can add a keyframe to animate your text. There are many options. This, for example, you can custom your position and make it move. And you can custom your opacity. You can make it disappear or just like watermark. Here we go. So I hope this video today help you know how to add text. So I hope this video today help you know how to add text into your video after use the new version of Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support my work and click like, share with your friend. Okay, see you in the next video.